Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new and you have a Tahoe Silverado with the GMT 800 platform and looking for some real custom upgrades you may not find anywhere else, you're in the right place. Also, let us know down below in the comments what you're working on, and we're glad to have you here. By the end of the video, I'll be announcing the 2 lucky winners for the Auxito switchbacks, so stay tuned and let's get to it. Last time on the Tahoe, I did install this mirror dash cam from Pelsee, and if you haven't checked it out, I'll have it linked up here for you guys. One of my favorite features is the voice control. Turn on screen. Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Show front camera. Show rear camera. Yeah, so it works out real nice. It's actually one of my favorites so far. I've always liked adding these mirror monitors on my trucks, even before they added them on the new Tahoes and Silverados. Those are just the same as like a backup camera, kind of like the one that I have on my Yukon, one of the original ones, where it only shows you the backup camera, but it doesn't record whenever you're driving. The Silverado has one, and it's the same as this, except that it doesn't have the voice control feature or lane assist. So I just opened up the Yukon to check out the mirror. It looks like one of the older TVs. Now that I see it, I like the Pelsee much better. You can see it has some external buttons, so you can power it on and off. And it was being held on by the straps on the back. They never fell off. These were a little bit different. They were more like a cloth style, but they were still being held on by those and not the bracket. And it was just much bigger and bulkier. The funny thing about this one, it still actually works. I just have the dead battery in the truck right now, so I can't try it out, but I might take it out one of these days and just test it out for you guys. All right. I got the mirror out of the Yukon, and I just wanted to show you a close-up. I did leave the wiring over there because it's zip tied right now. I'll have to mess with that later and see if I can power it up. But I wanted to show you a close-up, and you can see why I'm a little bit happier with the new mirror right now, since it's much slimmer and it looks better with more features. This one, I mean, it still works, so I'll probably just keep it as a, I don't know, like a relic or something, because it's kind of cool that it's an older unit. It's one of the original ones. But you guys let me know what you think on this setup right here. You can see it's definitely way bigger and bulkier, but I mean, it was good at the time. The inside of the Tahoe is looking much better with the new wood grain wheel. The mirror helps it out a lot. And as far as my radio, I just have a single DIN since I'm not really watching videos when I'm driving. So I just listen to a lot of music, and I like using the mirror as a backup camera. And now it has both the dash cam and backup camera. Turn off screen. You can see the cars in the rear, but also I have the barn door and limo tent. That's why it helps out to have the mirror on. Turn on screen. And that's how I get a better image on the truck, especially at nighttime, because it definitely looks dark with that limo tent. Turn off screen. With these small upgrades on the interior, it's starting to look a little bit more updated, but it's still a work in progress, so I still got more work to do in the interior. Before I can do any more wiring upgrades, I'll have to change out my battery, since the terminals are starting to get pretty full of wires on the positive and negative, and you already know I like to do a lot of electrical stuff on the trucks, so I'll have to look for one of those pretty soon. Let me know what you guys want to see more on the Tahoe, if you want to see a little bit more exterior work, or if I should do more engine work, interior. So far, I mean, it's looking better than stock. It does need a lot more though. It still has a stock suspension, and my tail lights, I really need to change them out. They're still stock. It has the Escalade pillars. I mean, it looks better than the first day I purchased it, but it does need some more work. You can see the plate camera right here for the Pelsee mirror. I might even set up a poll later on just to see what you guys are thinking, but I definitely do need to do more upgrades on the Tahoe. Alright guys, let's go ahead and find out who's our 2 lucky winners this time on the switchback giveaway. And don't forget to send me a DM on my Instagram so I can get your shipping information and sending them out to you. I may just ask for a screenshot because I want to make sure it's you, but you should already have my Instagram because that was part of the giveaway right there, or requirement. So let's start this comment picker. And it looks like the first winner is 7315 Lou Brown. All right, my bro, this one is yours right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and send it out. Just send me that DM. And for our second winner, it looks like Jet Life. All right, my guy, so this one right here is yours. And congratulations right there for both of you guys. It was super easy entering the giveaway, and I do like using Instagram because it just makes it a lot easier to contact the winners. If YouTube had a feature like that, I would definitely use it, but just stay tuned for the next one. If you didn't win this time, don't forget I'll have my discount code down below in the description, which is Migo713, and that way you can have 15% off any of the Auxito LED bulbs. And if you like this content, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.